Imagine a factory where over 9,000 panels are produced every day. Global Design Suceava is a 100% Romanian brand. With over 7,500 square meters of production space, 25 trucks from our own fleet travel daily to our customers. We have been working continuously for more than 20 years to become a leader in production and quality. A brand recognized in Romania, which is also a standard in ensuring the refined design of furniture, providing you with the most modern solutions for your furniture. Global Design offers its partners quality fronts, elements and furniture accessories. We continue to expand our range of products and services using revolutionary techniques geared to the latest design trends that meet the needs of the market. We are constantly perfecting all the processes in our supply chain to the customer. That is why we are constantly investing in our production system to create ingenious manufacturing processes. Each stage of the production process is carefully monitored through the 15 control points, which guarantee an impeccable quality of Global Design products. We use state-of-the-art automated production technologies and processes, but at the same time, each product is made according to individual specifications and wishes. Within a modern and customer-oriented distribution logistics, Global Design guarantees the quality of delivery and compliance with deadlines. Thus, we aim to be the best partner of our customers when it comes to guaranteeing success. Our consistent quality is due to the high degree of automation. Global Design is the only summit importer in Romania. We pride ourselves on top suppliers of raw materials, accessories, and equipment for furniture production. Complete accessories and systems for the production of furniture. We provide our customers with cutting and edging services. Our constant efforts are to provide you with infinite solutions, Global Design.